Our next guest says we're entering a new year in a bifurcated economy and that its growth is fragile. Joining us is Mark Zandi, chief economist at Moody's Analytics. I just want to say, Mark, hasn't the economy surprised you in a positive way this year? There were so many calls, so many gloom and doom calls, especially around the Trump tariffs and what that would mean for inflation and for the economy. And here we are ending 2025, and it's been quite strong.
Yeah, you know what's weird though? I mean, I went back because I wrote this piece on the 2026 outlook, like most economists do, and I went back and looked at what my expectation was for GDP growth in calendar year 2025 as of December 2024. So a year ago, what would happen in 2025? And the GDP growth number was 2.2%. So, at least back in December of 2025, or 2024, I thought 2025 would be an okay year. But having said that, as we came into the year...
But would you have said that in April after the tariffs were announced?
No, that's exactly where I was going. Yeah, I certainly would not have. I would have thought that it would end up being a much weaker year, something closer to half that kind of growth rate, like a 1% growth rate. And the thing that, obviously, it's pretty obvious. The thing that was the big positive surprise was the impact of artificial intelligence, both, in terms of the investment spending, but most importantly through the run-up in stock prices and the wealth effects that's generated in the effect that's had on consumer spending. So you're right. As of April, I was much more pessimistic about the year. It ended up being much better than I anticipated.
So you say it's bifurcated. Is that because, in part, of the rising stock market, which has helped the wealthier cohort?
Yeah, in part. I mean, it's there's such a dichotomy. When I talk to folks, I get such a very perspective on the economy. Some people are incredibly optimistic. Things are booming. Other folks are incredibly pessimistic. Things couldn't be worse. And I think that goes just to the fact that the economy itself is what the word is bifurcated. It's just operating on totally different levels. And you can see in lots of different ways. Large companies are doing great. Smaller companies, not so much. You can see that for example, in the ADP data. You can see high-end consumers, well-to-do, their financial situation is about as good as it's ever been. Folks that are lower income, middle income, not much. Industries. I mean, the tech industry, obviously, healthcare doing really well, adding a lot of jobs. But then manufacturing and the real estate industry, agriculture, transportation industry, they're literally contracting. They're in recession. So I can go on and on and on. The economy just feels very bifurcated here, moving on, again, operating on different dynamics. And that's why I think people are getting such different perspectives on it. If you add it all up, the economy is growing. It's okay. It's growing around its potential. But it's as you said, it's a fragile growth. I mean, I don't know that the economy can operate this way for very long without, something going off the rails at some point.